Badlulise imiyalezo engehli kahle kulabo abasesikhundleni benxusa ukuthi kwenziwe eminye imizamo njengoba izwe lihaqwe izinga eliphezulu lodlame oluyamene nobulili.
We are trying to tell young people that it is time for them to be heard. We recognize that there's a lot of hurt happening right now. We don't have time for government to execute a grand strategy. We want to provide healing, but amongst youth, for youth, by youth, with youth.
Imiyalezo eqoqiwe izodluliselwa kungqongqoshe wezenhlalakahle esifundazweni ngomsombuluko. Abaningi bathi izinselele abantu abasha ababhekene nazo zihlobene nemizwa ehlukene.
Bana thina kubana singa like we can be free and that bana we don't have to be bana jonga xa siwalker asikwazi noba sibe free or anything nxa amakhwe ngikwazi ukuthi don't jonga lona utry attention yethu, but it's not that.
You do get people, let's girls that hit guys, women that do hit guys. So I would say, yeah, and then you're always gonna get girls or ladies that is gonna make fun of a guy. You know what I mean? So I say that it's not just gender-based violence against girls, but it's against boys.
We should continue the role that the forefathers or the previous generation, they set the foundation for us.
Lo mcimbi indikimba yawo ebithi be heard uqhuqhuzela izisulu ukuba zikhulume ngodlame olubhekiswe kuzo. Imali ezoqoqwa izothuthukisa ulwazi lokuqala oluholwa yintsha mayelana nodlame oluyamene nobulili ebangeni lesithupha nelesikhombisa.